Once upon a time, there was a greedy dog who always wanted more. One day, he found a juicy bone and ran happily across the bridge to enjoy it. As he looked down into the river, he saw another dog with a bone in its mouth. He didn't realize it was just his reflection. "That bone looks bigger than mine," he thought. Without a second thought, he barked loudly and tried to snatch the other dog's bone. But as he opened his mouth, his own bone fell into the river and floated away. Now the greedy dog had nothing. He sat sadly by the river, wishing he had been happy with what he had. From that day on, he learned to be thankful and never let greed take over again.